To add a score to your quiz, first create one. Click on New Formaloo and choose a survey. Then add the necessary fields to complete your quiz. Let's create a self-grading math quiz. One important field is the variable field. Form variables represent hidden calculated values. To calculate the total score, add a variable and an ID. If you also want to show the grade, like A, B, C, or D according to the total score, add another variable and add an ID grade. Now it's time to set up the calculations. For this, we will need to assign points to each question. Click on Question and open the Logic tab. We will need to add a rule. To grade the quiz, you can also set the logic for that. For example, if the total score is greater or equal to 95, add A+ to the grade, and so on. Formaloo will automatically grade responses once you set the logic, saving you time and effort. Now it's time to display the total score and the grade at the end of the quiz. We should do this on the ending page. To display the score, we will need to use answer piping. Once you customize the message, use the @ sign in front of the ID you'd like to display. View the video on the top right to see how to share a form. And that's it!